everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do a video on how I straighten my hair, what is the hair care products that I use while I straighten my hair, and what is the straightener that I use as well. I'm going to show you my lazy version of it because I don't like spending too much time on straightening my hair. I do have really long hair, so it does take me a lot of time. However, I'll show you the easy steps as in how you can do that. Disclaimer, there are pretty good ways of doing it. This is however just my way, how I like to straighten my hair. Hair care video is coming up soon, as in how I keep my hair healthy and shiny and what are all the products that I use. If you would like to watch this video, then keep on watching. Also, if you're curious about this makeup look, this is created within 100 rupees and I will leave a link down below of the video where you can go check that out. I have done a mini review on the products as well. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is how my hair looks without any heat, and now I'm quickly going to comb my hair and remove all the tangles. Next, I'm going to apply the Habib's hair serum all over my dry hair, and it will act as a heat protectant. Because my hair is treated, I provided extra care by applying a second coat of Tresemme Platinum Strength Heat Protectant Spray. Then after applying the serum and the spray, I am going to comb my hair so that the product is evenly distributed. Next, I'm going to take my Cortex hair straightener, and this has temperature settings on it, so you can set it to your desired temperature. And I have been using this straightener for a very long time and this really works for me. Then I'm going to part my hair in the middle and I'm going to section it into two parts and clip one of them and work with the other. Working with one section, I'm going to section it further into smaller halves and start working with it and clip the rest of the hair back. What I do is I comb my hair, I straighten it, and then I comb it once again so that everything looks neat and even. And the small part is done, and I will clip it away from the rest of the hair. Next, I'm going to take the rest of the hair and work my way through it in a similar fashion. section is done, I'm again going to comb it and then clip it all together and start working on the other section. Now I will comb my hair once again, and you can leave it like this, but for me I will do another side part and then I would use the straightener like this and give it a little curl. I once again brush my hair and go over that side curl until I am happy with it, and now the look is done. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video of how I straighten my hair. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel down below. Also hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all my videos as soon as they are uploaded. All my social media links will be in the description bar, so go follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until the next time, live long and prosper, my fellow earthlings.